Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Notion templates for project management step by step clearly. Open Notion on your device. Navigate to the workspace where you want to restore the template. In the left sidebar, locate the Templates section. Click on Templates to view your available options. Look for the My Templates option within the Templates section. Select My Templates to see a list of your saved templates. Identify the template you wish to restore for project management. Click on the three dots next to the template name for more options. From the drop-down menu, choose Duplicate. This action creates a copy of the selected template in your workspace. Once duplicated, the new template will appear in your page list. Rename the duplicated template for clarity, if needed. Open the new template to customize any details as necessary. Modify content to suit your current project management needs. Add tasks, deadlines, and priorities as required. Share the restored template with your team if applicable. Make sure to check links and integrations to ensure everything is functional. Once completed, your Notion template is now restored and ready for use. Continue to update and refine your template for ongoing projects. Regularly back up important templates to prevent future loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.